Hi everyone. Today I will be sharing with you the right way to apply makeup step by step. Applying makeup is an art, and it can enhance your natural beauty. So, let's start with the right base. Step 1. Start with a clean face. Make sure your skin is clean and moisturized. Use a gentle cleanser and lukewarm water to wash your face. Pat dry with a clean towel. Step 2. Apply primer. Primer prepares your skin to absorb the rest of your makeup better. Apply a small amount of primer on your face using a brush or your fingers. Make sure it spreads evenly across your face. Step 3. Conceal. Apply concealer to any blemishes, dark circles, or any other dark spots on your face. Use a concealer brush or your fingers to blend it well. Step 4. Foundation. Apply foundation evenly on your face using a brush or a beauty blender. Make sure it matches your skin tone. If you have any spots or blemishes, use a concealer to cover them up. Step 5. Concealer. Use a concealer brush or your fingers to apply concealer on any areas where you need to cover up. Step 6. Add some color to your cheeks. Apply a pop of color to your cheeks using a blush. Blot your cheeks lightly with a tissue to remove any excess oil. Step 7. Define your eyes. Apply your eyeshadow primer. This will help your eyeshadow last longer and blend better. Apply eyeshadow on your eyelids, crease, and outer corner of your eyes. Use a brush or your fingers to blend it well. Step 8. Line your eyes. Apply eyeliner to your upper lash line. Use a black or brown eyeliner. Smudge it a little to make it look more natural. Step 9. Apply mascara. Apply mascara to your upper and lower lashes. Make sure you apply it from the base of your lashes to the tips. Step 10. Define your brows. Use a brow pencil or powder to define your brows. Fill in any sparse areas and make sure they match your hair color. Step 11. Add some color to your lips. Apply lipstick or lip gloss to your lips. Make sure it matches your skin tone. And there you have it, a perfect makeup look. Remember, the key to a good makeup look is to practice and learn how to apply each product the right way. So, don't be afraid to experiment and find what works best for you. Thanks for watching.